The EPA states that indoor air is often 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Indoor air pollution is divided into 3 types. Air filters only capture one type, particulates. That leaves the other 2 untreated. Biological contaminants include mold, bacteria, and viruses. Chemical contaminants, called VOCs, cause odors and are potentially toxic. For the best indoor air quality, you need AC Control's whole house air treatment system. This amazing system features lifetime carbon cells, which capture and neutralize odor-causing chemicals when energized by UV light. Harmless water and CO2 are released to the atmosphere. Mold, bacteria, and viruses are killed by UV light, which destroys their DNA. What's even better is that carbon cells are self-cleaning. AC Control's UV air treatment also disinfects the coil and drain pan. It is safe, effective, and does not produce harmful ozone. Protect your health and your family. Call AC Control today.